So yo, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Gurrit. So in this video, I'm gonna break down this NZD trade that was fucking crazy trade. Let's check, man. Like one of those I have check the fucking banger trades. Alright, so I'm gonna break down this trade. So let's start. So first of all, you guys can see this, and I should better let's move forward. So first, I'm gonna share the proof. First, I'm gonna share the proof. The 18 August 2025. The sale you ends the day. The EP stop loss TP. Anything? All right. So you can see the setup. All right. The fucking sniper trade and the fucking and I'm gonna show you. Okay, man. Wait. Okay. All right. So I'm gonna. Okay. That was the trade. That was the trade. The fucking whole banger. You guys can see it's almost going crazy. You can see 1:5 almost. Yeah, that's 1:5 almost. You guys can see. Okay, let me break down this trade. Alright, then I'm working on the other setup too. So this is my currently setup. I'm looking for sale in this trade. Alright, let me go to NZD USD. Alright. So the first thing we should do, which is go to the higher time frame, which is weekly. All right. So I'm go to the weekly time frame. So wait, go to this for 1 second, and I'm going to do the things that I need. All right. So I think first I should remove this thing or replay the charts before I remove these things. All right. So I need to remove these things. That's good. Alright. Alright, this is good. Okay. Let me break down the second. Alright, no worry. So first thing we should do, move to the higher time frame, weekly, and I'm gonna see what's gonna happen. What's currently what's going on. Alright, so I can see this is a high, hello, high, a little bit hello. This is not a clean hello, but you can see this is a high, and the hello, high, hello, little bit, not too little high. And this is the lower low, low high, and we are bearish, like we are at the bottom. Alright, so how do we identify? You can see we close below this candle is closed below this area, so now we are bearish. All right, so we right here confluence to go short, confluence to go sell. All right, first thing we should do, weekly, oh sorry, bearish. What's gonna happen? All right, now we are moved to daily time frame. Now this is on a daily time frame. Okay, so we move to daily time. I think we should full the screen size. All right, now it's better. Now we are looking where we are at. All right, so we are the you can see the high, hello, little bit that's nothing, low, high, low, high, low, high, nothing, low, high, hello, high, and low. Like we close below this candle. So we are bearish now. Alright, this is our lower low. Alright, so and this is our lower high. So now we write this here, daily. There is no why. Bearish. Alright, so now we are going to the next time frame, which is 4 hour. So now we are looking where we are at. So you can see the high pattern. I think the skin move. Hello, little bit nothing. Lower low. Hello, hello. Hi 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 hi. This is not just a clean move. Now we are bearish because we are close below this area. Candle close below this area. So now we are bearish. This is a lower low, and this is a lower high. This clean move. I hope you guys understand how we mark the structure. That's not complex thing. Alright. So now we're gonna write another confluence, which is for our bearish. Alright. So what's the next thing we should do? Which is finding the area of interest. Alright. So now we're gonna find the area of interest. First we're gonna move to the 1 weekly, because high time frame works really good, and we can easily understand where we are at and how is market perform well. Alright, so now I mark this. Alright, so bit why? Because you guys can see there is a resistance, little bit choppy, and support. This failure, but support, resistance, this fail, support, and I am expecting the same move. Right, I'm expecting the same move here. Alright, so because you guys can see market always follow the patterns before the tube. Oh, okay, so now we are gonna move forward. So we should mark this area of interest. Now I'm gonna add a horizontal line here. This, so you guys again there are more touches. So we can mark this as an area of interest. Alright, area of interest weekly. Okay, now we're gonna move to daily time frame. Now we should mark the envelope. We see supports, resistance, support, resistance, support, little bit choppy, support, touches, support, touches. Alright, so we should mark this another area of interest daily. Alright, now we're gonna move forward. Let's switch it forward. Okay, looks clean. Next thing we should do is a little bit choppy. Support, and like this a resistance, kind of resistance, I think. Alright, so now we are gonna see this is our area of interest daily and weekly, and now we are gonna see the another area of interest on the low time frame, which is like this. Okay, so how do we identify the next area of interest on to get an entry at this level? Okay, so now we can see there is some touch, kind of wait like a resistance, work like a resistance, support was choppy little bit. Resistance, resistance, resistance. Okay, support, resistance, little bit choppy. Support, support resistance. Okay, so it's worked like another area of interest. So now we have marked this on an area of interest. Okay. So how do we identify? Like we are daily where we are at. You see, there's no touches. Like we mark another thing which is the same at the 4 hour. Resistance, support, resistance, support, on choppy little bit, and the support resistance work like the same thing. And now we are gonna move to the daily AOI 4 hour. Alright, so now we are gonna move to the weekly time frame. 1 week. We can see the same thing. Where we are at, we are the support area, or we are the resistance area. I'm expecting the same move here. So, like this time frame, I guess this time frame is synced because that move is in a replay move. I guess that's a little bit problem. I guess, but at the daily, we are at this area. We see the rejection because of replay mode. Okay, so now if we see the low time frame, so what are the next confluence? So now we move this to this. Okay, so what's the next confluence, which is second area of interest 4 hour daily. Alright, so this will be daily, weekly, a line. Okay, the third confluence is, you guys can see there is a 50 EMA, and now we are retest this EMA. Okay, so we was waiting for this retest. I was waiting for this EMA retest. Okay, EMA retest. Now we are looking for the fourth confluence, which is market shift to market shift on the time frame. Okay, all right. So now I'm looking for sale if market. Okay, sorry. Okay, if market close candle below this area on lower time frame. Okay, so I'm gonna look for the sale. All right. So I'm gonna move to the 15 minutes. All right. Waiting. Okay, so we are gonna look for sale if M15 candle close below this area. Okay, you guys consider this elbow looks clean. You guys consider this too if you like, but personally I'm choosing this elbow because you can see the 3 red candles, then after an impulsive move. So okay, so we can see. Okay, gonna do doing. Okay, this is a choppy. Okay, now we this candle close below this area. Okay, this candle close below this area. You guys can consider this candle. Okay, if you guys consider this candle close below this area, and I'm adding my full effect fear moves to the 4 hour. Okay, so the same thing happened, which is candle close below this area. Okay, if we look for the 15 minutes, the candle close below this area. If we look for the 4 hour, the candle close below this area. Exactly what I want to see for a prop entry. Like I'm adding a short position. I'm entered here, and I'm putting my stop loss over this. Okay, and I'm adding a risk this. Okay, right, like this. Okay, and we are entered. Like see what's gonna happen. Okay, go, boom. Like what I told you. The same setup I was shared with my team at Discord members. The same thing. Here is my entry point for they can close below this area. I was entered and now the fucking cooked. Alright. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys like it, my video. Please subscribe, another bell icon. Thanks for watching.